Let's start the meeting. Let's start the meeting.
Thank you for attending today's meeting. Thank you for attending today's meeting.
Could you please share your update? Could you please share your update?
I agree with that point. I agree with that point.
Could we review the agenda? Could we review the agenda? Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. Please refer to the meeting minutes. Please refer to the meeting minutes. Can we schedule a follow-up meeting? Can we schedule a follow-up meeting? I'll summarize our discussion. I'll summarize our discussion. Let's move on to the next item. Let's move on to the next item. Could you elaborate on that? Could you elaborate on that? Please keep your comments brief. Please keep your comments brief. I appreciate your input. I appreciate your input. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Could you clarify your point? Could you clarify your point? I would like to add something. I would like to add something. Let's open the floor for discussion. Let's open the floor for discussion. Could you please mute your microphone? Could you please mute your microphone? I will share my screen now. I will share my screen now. Please hold on a moment. Please hold on a moment. Let's reconvene after a break. Let's reconvene after a break. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? I need further clarification. I need further clarification. Let's summarize the key points. Let's summarize the key points. We need to decide on this issue. We need to decide on this issue. Let's vote on the proposal. Let's vote on the proposal. Could you send the documents? Could you send the documents? I will follow up on this matter. I will follow up on this matter.
Please take notes during the meeting. Please take notes during the meeting.
Let's review the last meeting's action items. Let's review the last meeting's action items.
I welcome any suggestions. I welcome any suggestions.
Let's discuss the budget allocation. Let's discuss the budget allocation.
Could you provide an update on the project? Could you provide an update on the project?
Let's set clear objectives. Let's set clear objectives. I propose a new strategy. I propose a new strategy.
Could you explain the timeline? Could you explain the timeline?
Let's review the project milestones. Let's review the project milestones.
Please keep track of your tasks. Please keep track of your tasks.
I will compile the meeting notes. I will compile the meeting notes.
Let's plan our next steps. Let's plan our next steps.
Could you update us on the client feedback? Could you update us on the client feedback?
I appreciate everyone's hard work. I appreciate everyone's hard work.
Let's prioritize our tasks. Let's prioritize our tasks.
Could we set a deadline for this task? Could we set a deadline for this task?
I suggest we meet again next week. I suggest we meet again next week.
Please confirm your availability. Please confirm your availability.
Let's collaborate on this project. Let's collaborate on this project.
Could you clarify the project goals? Could you clarify the project goals?
I have a question regarding this point. I have a question regarding this point.
Let's take a moment to reflect. Let's take a moment to reflect.
Could you please share your screen? Could you please share your screen?
I need to check with my team. I need to check with my team.
Let's assign tasks accordingly. Let's assign tasks accordingly.
Could you brief the team on this update? Could you brief the team on this update?
I appreciate your cooperation. I appreciate your cooperation. Let's address any concerns. Let's address any concerns. Could you summarize your findings? Could you summarize your findings? I will take care of that task. I will take care of that task. Let's review the performance metrics. Let's review the performance metrics. Could you provide a detailed report? Could you provide a detailed report? I suggest we focus on key issues. I suggest we focus on key issues. Let's work on improving efficiency. Let's work on improving efficiency. Could you send a follow-up email? Could you send a follow-up email? I will update the project status soon. I will update the project status soon. Let's delegate tasks among the team. Let's delegate tasks among the team. Could you prepare the presentation slides? Could you prepare the presentation slides? I would like to propose a different approach. I would like to propose a different approach. Let's analyze the current trends. Let's analyze the current trends. Could you review the budget report? Could you review the budget report? I welcome your feedback on this matter. I welcome your feedback on this matter. Let's ensure everyone is on the same page. Let's ensure everyone is on the same page. Could you clarify the next steps? Could you clarify the next steps? I will follow up with an email after this meeting. I will follow up with an email after this meeting. Let's finalize the project details. Let's finalize the project details. Could you take responsibility for this task? Could you take responsibility for this task? I suggest we revisit this issue later. I suggest we revisit this issue later. Let's document our discussion points. Let's document our discussion points. Could you outline the project scope? Could you outline the project scope?
I propose a quick brainstorming session. I propose a quick brainstorming session.
Let's consider all possible options. Let's consider all possible options.
Could you verify the numbers in the report? Could you verify the numbers in the report?
I appreciate your prompt response. I appreciate your prompt response.
Let's set up a recurring meeting. Let's set up a recurring meeting.
Could you clarify the deliverables? Could you clarify the deliverables? I will coordinate with the other department. I will coordinate with the other department.
Let's follow the standard procedures. Let's follow the standard procedures.
Could you share the latest market insights? Could you share the latest market insights?
I suggest we conduct a survey. I suggest we conduct a survey.
Let's prepare for the upcoming deadline. Let's prepare for the upcoming deadline.
Could you review the draft proposal? Could you review the draft proposal?
I will arrange a meeting room for us. I will arrange a meeting room for us.
Let's collaborate with the international team. Let's collaborate with the international team.
Could you update the project timeline? Could you update the project timeline?
I welcome suggestions on improving our workflow. I welcome suggestions on improving our workflow.
Let's aim to resolve this issue promptly. Let's aim to resolve this issue promptly.
Could you provide an estimated cost? Could you provide an estimated cost?
I will send out the meeting summary shortly. I will send out the meeting summary shortly.
Let's review our progress at the next meeting. Let's review our progress at the next meeting.
Could you remind everyone about the deadlines? Could you remind everyone about the deadlines?
I appreciate everyone's contribution to this meeting. I appreciate everyone's contribution to this meeting.